We are back at our local flea market's first flea market trip since we've been back from Iceland. We're gonna get here and see what's available. Not too many people out here today, but that's never stopped us before.
Going on.
What's up? Oh, look at there. Hit the like button, folks.
She's got some stuff for us over there.
Is it good?
I don't know, she said she had a jacket and stuff.
Oh, okay. Which one of the gloves?
5.
You want to do kickboxing with me?
Yeah, there you go.
I'll do 5 on the gloves.
Cool. Okay.
Thanks, man. Sometimes at the flea market, we just take chances on things that we think might be valuable, and these boxing gloves were one of those things. Unfortunately, they don't have a great sell-through rate, and even when they do sell, it's only like $10 or $15. So I would not recommend picking these up. Oh, the tracer. That's really cool. So when I used to do art, I also wanted one of these. You can put like something underneath that, and then it projects it onto the wall. So if you have like a small picture you want to like trace onto a big canvas, you could do that. These are kind of cool. Let me get that. 5. That's what it says.
Yeah, I mean, all this stuff is already priced when we got it. It also says something else. 6.
Uh-oh. Which is it?
I'll do 5 on it.
All right, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, all this stuff is priced when we got it. So yeah,
Or-
I didn't put any price on it.
So a storage unit or something?
Yeah.
Nice. You guys do those a lot?
My buddy does. I went in on him with this one. $2. My buddy does a lot of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work. A lot of junk, too.
It is. This one was mostly keep, though.
That's
luckily.
awesome. Sweet. Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
Hello. How are you? Oh, man. Lots of hats. That's cool.
Yeah, well, I've been emptying my closet, but I put some stuff in the back for you guys.
Sweet.
I won't be finished picking.
Haley, I got some nails for you. French nails. Oh, life is good.
Yeah.
How can I possibly not keep this hat?
Look at this one.
Oh, nice. Wolves. You want a nose ring?
I'm good.
Oh, Ovos. I've heard of those before. Kelly Hansen?
Yeah. Ooh, Masters.
Yeah,
Definitely grab this.
definitely.
Masters tournament is coming
Look
up.
at all this stuff. We got UFOs.
It's a little mummy squishmallow.
Yeah.
Okay, getting that.
Pikachu.
Getting that.
Some Keens.
Getting these.
Kelly Hansen. We don't see this brand too much in the States, but it's very popular in Europe.
A lot of people were wearing it in
Yeah,
Iceland.
Iceland is very, very popular. 50%
And
duck
duck
down,
feather. Yeah.
down the feather. Yeah. Thank you so much for holding this stuff for us. Team.
I watch you guys so much, and I'm just like, oh, if I see that, I'll.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's awesome.
Because I put in, I said, I'm not sure if you guys are still out of town, and I was like, in case they're here, I'll put it in.
Yeah.
Save it.
Well, I'm glad we came. This is awesome.
Yeah.
All right, so we got
I have all those.
5 hats. Do you have a price for everything, or do you just... Okay, so we got
You know the usual.
5 hats, 2 plush,
We have 6 hats. 6 hats.
6 hats, 2 plush. The UFOs, those are good. Kelly Hansen. Masters hat. This is a newer one too, with the Velcro. We'll probably pass on the boots. They're good brands. They're just a little bit too worn for us.
Yeah,
Some of those. All right, so we got the jacket, 2 plush,
6
UFOs,
hats
and 6
and
hats. Probably like 40. Is that okay? Okay.
perfect.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Do we need a new scale for our shipping? It's very compact, doesn't take up a lot of space at all. Obviously that was a joke, but just in case you are looking for a shipping scale for your reselling business, this is the one we've been using for about 3 years now, and we have had 0 issues with it. If you want to check it out, there'll be a link in the description of this video. Haley found some workout stuff. She's tempted. Do you have one of these?
I don't have one of those. I need one of these. I have one of these and this.
What about these?
I have that.
What about this?
I don't know what that is. Oh, are those the speed ropes or whatever they're called?
It says B Fit Unit.
No idea.
Ma'am,
I don't need it. It's okay.
how much for this?
It's $12 for the set.
For everything?
No, it's 3 pieces.
3 pieces.
This one, and this one is 12. And then these 3 pieces are 12.
I feel like that's a good deal.
I do need. I want that one.
Okay. All right, we'll do. You don't want to separate anything? No? Okay. Let's see. $12.
Alrighty.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
So this one, and this one?
Right. Or you can get it in this right here.
These
This
are
is
good.
all of that, and it's kind of easier to take. Whichever you prefer.
We'll just do this.
We'll do
Okay.
these. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We often buy personal use items like this at the flea market, and this does save us money. A similar set of these weight clip holder thingies are like $70 on Amazon, so paying $12 for all 3 of them is a killer deal.
But it doesn't
Oh, it's clear though. I've never seen a clear one.
It doesn't have the battery pack though.
It's not bad. What do you want for this calculator here, sir?
I do like $2.
$2? I'll do that. $2. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Haley, didn't you say you needed a new hydraulic punch driver kit?
I said that just yesterday. Thanks so much for listening to me.
Yeah, absolutely. I think this is a vintage Kelty backpack. Steel frame. I don't see any tags or anything other than the...
Like the perfect candidate to take that home with you.
That's right.
How you feeling today?
Very good. How about yourself?
All right.
It's an older one, but it looks cool. What you got on it?
Yeah, I'm always a cheap guy.
Cheap guy. What's cheap on this?
$3.
$3. I can't say no to $3.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Look at these little Jordans.
Oh, this is nice. They're sell for 120.
New Balance.
No, I mean this is not regular New Balance. Check it out.
What do you want for these?
If you buy this stuff, you can have a free that one.
If we buy the Converses?
Yeah, you can have that.
So 30 for the Converse and these?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that. $30. Thank you so much. Sock X tag. That's interesting. Did you say you gotta go watch the trial? Closing arguments today. I'm not missing it today.
They're going to Moselle today,
Yeah,
9:30,
yeah.
and they say it's coming on 11:30. You think you're guilty?
Oh yeah, 100%. I grew up in Hampton.
Yeah, they got him down there at 8:44 at the pen, 8:49. All he had to do it.
It's just too much.
Yeah, that's right.
Too much. They say the evidence is all circumstantial, but I'm like, yeah, but at some point, that's no longer a coincidence.
That's right. That's right.
You need the man groomer. It's
I do.
rechargeable.
I do need the man groomer.
Look, see, it's fully extendable to reach all areas of your back.
All areas.
Look, you can be sideways.
Not a hair left anywhere. What you got on the Patagonia hat? Good stuff, just slightly too expensive. Oh look, cowboy spurs. What do you want for them?
Good spurs. 40.
40. Okay. I don't even have a horse.
I know.
What would I use it? What would I use them for? You see that clock right there?
Yeah.
Put you on the clock.
5. But the thing about I can't get the this part here to work. I don't know what's wrong with it. And you made it.
Let's see the back of it. Battery operated.
Takes time, but like I said, just that.
So the time works, but the
Yeah.
dates don't.
It's supposed to drop over, but I don't know if there's something I'm doing wrong on it or what.
Yeah. It looks cool.
Yeah. Red line.
Red line. What do you want for that?
15. Yeah. Well, 5 on these two here.
On the red line.
I do. I'm all the time giving away something. Take
Yeah.
this here if you can get it to work. It's yours.
Okay. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. I'll give you something to work on.
I couldn't get out of
Yeah, we'll take a look at it.
I'm doing wrong. I don't know. Maybe you figure it out.
I'll give it my best shot. Thank you. I appreciate that. Since you gave me that, I'll buy the red line from you. 15?
Yes, sir.
I'll do that. I've always wanted to find one.
I'm gonna throw another car in with it.
Oh, I appreciate that.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah,
That's cool.
Cool.
Redline Hot Wheel and a Ecology Center. So just in case you don't know what a red line Hot Wheel is, it's any Hot Wheel car that has this little red line along the wheels. I don't know what year they're from, like maybe the 70s or 80s or something like that. $15 for this car is not a great deal. It's probably worth like $10 or $12, but some of the ones with the red lines on the wheel can be worth hundreds of dollars. So if you ever find them at a garage sale or flea market or something for 25 cents a piece, I'd definitely go ahead and pick it up. But before you pay $15 for it, I would probably look it up. I was just trying to be nice to that guy since he gave us the clock for free, which I have also not had a chance to look at. So we will talk about that in a future video. All right, so Yellow Cup Columbia glasses. 15 on those. Platoon. That one. Columbia watch. This belt. That cup. This one. Should do this for $160 total. Okay. $160. Thank you. Just this watch retailed for 75 bucks. So I think it's a good deal. Good deal. So everything we got at that last booth, the Columbia stuff, the Yeti cups, those 2 sealed video games, all that is going to be given away totally for free on our next upcoming Whatnot show. If you don't know what Whatnot is, it is a live auction selling platform. Haley and I have been selling on there for like a year and a half or so, and they just so happen to be the sponsor of today's video. So if you guys click the link down below or go to whatnot.com/invite/Hairytornado, you can get $15 for free to use on your first purchase. And it doesn't even have to be from us. It's just buying anything at all on Whatnot. So appreciate Whatnot for sponsoring today's video. Appreciate you guys for coming over to our next show, which will be this date and time, Eastern Standard Time, and we will see you there. Hopefully you can win some of this cool stuff we got at the flea market today. Oh, we got a little Pioneer Woman bowl set. Haley. It's a return, but it looks to be, oh no, it's broken. That's why it was returned.
Glad you showed me that. I didn't see that on the other side.
Yeah, I was like, oh.
You just pulled it out.
Yeah.
You want the rest of them by chance? I wouldn't ask you for 10 bucks, but I didn't see that. But I'll do it for 5. You still get some cool bowls out of it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I wish I had other bowls.
I wish you did too. No problem. Thanks.
Chris, by the way, I'll come
Chris.
I'll cut you a good deal.
Sweet. Okay.
All kinds of stuff.
Oh, look at here. We got some Nerd gummy clusters.
Look at that, guys.
Perfect.
2 for $1.
How much for all of them?
$11. I got a case up underneath.
I'll do all of them.
All right.
So how many are in there?
Yeah, there's 22 in a box.
Okay, so this is
That's
so
a
it's
case.
basically 2 cases.
Yeah, 2 cases. You want it back in the box?
I
Got it right under the table.
No, this is fine.
You buying all of them?
Yeah, these are perfect for Whatnot. Who doesn't love Nerd gummy clusters? So how much for all of them then?
You got 44, so 22.
20, 21, 22.
I love it when the season runs out. I get all good candy,
Yeah.
in-date stuff,
Yeah.
and you can get it cheap.
Absolutely. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Right here. It is 100% secure, and it is never going to fall. Thank you, sir.
Gummy cluster for a little while.
That's right. That's right.
Got some squishmallows.
Squishmallows.
How you doing, John?
What's up, Ramez? You got a whole computer today. You got everything, man.
2 for $1.
Oh, look at this. This is a squid with a mustache. Mini waffle maker. Oh my gosh.
I got like 50 of these waffles.
50 of them.
I can't give you a deal.
50 waffle makers. Do you think we could sell waffle makers, Haley? Well, we definitely like the Squishmallows. So what you got on these? These both 2 packs and the single one.
I'll do $30 on these.
30 for all 5?
Yes.
There's this one too.
Oh, no, that's a Violet. Jackie the Violet. All right, what about her?
I'll do 7.
7, so 37. Let me see how much money I got left. I didn't. 15, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay.
Yeah. Do we need to get more?
26. I got $46 left, and I'm gonna spend it all with you.
Oh.
So how about 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 46. I'm gonna keep grabbing stuff. You tell me when to stop. All right, so we got the Squishmallows.
Okay, so you said 30, 30.
That was 37. So technically I've got. We got plenty of room, Ramez. What are you talking about? Maybe one of these?
$9. How about you take 2 hats for $9?
2 hats for $9. Let's do this women's fit Adidas. That's cute. You can do that. And then maybe what's this blue one? It's another Adidas. Let me do 1 hat and then something else. Something else. How about the computer? I'm just kidding.
Hey. So you,
I'm kidding.
you still have $2 left.
$2. There's the Legos video kits. Halo. All right, this is a big ask. What about one of these?
This is 50.
15. What if I put the hat back and then get one of these? You do that? Okay. I would pay more. I just don't have any money.
Fine,
I don't want to go to the
that's
ATM for like $5.
You don't have to.
Okay.
If you need the hat, you can take it too.
I don't need the hat. I don't need the hat. We're good. Okay, adding the Halo thing. You're good. Thanks, Ramez.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate
I
you, bud.
appreciate that.
Absolutely. I'm sure it'll be fine.
You need a bag for all of this?
Do you have a bag? That would be great.
I'll carry the bag.
Perfect.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it, man. So a very successful flea market trip. I really like Ramez, the last guy that we bought the Squishmallows and stuff from. He's probably one of our favorite flea market sellers. Just super nice. Always has like cool stuff. I'm not sure where he gets his stuff. In almost all of our flea market videos, you guys ask like where these sellers get their stuff from. I don't know. I mean, sometimes it's probably like liquidation. A lot of them get their stuff from the Goodwill bins, maybe storage units, like the guy that we bought the boxing gloves. He said he got it from the storage unit. So really all over. A lot of people think it's all stolen stuff. Chances are maybe some of it is stolen. I don't know, but I think it's a pretty small percentage. And usually it's going to be kind of obvious, I think. Quick shout out to this butter, Kerrygold Irish butter. It is fantastic. We started using this like maybe a month and a half ago, and it's been great. Also, here's the calculator that we got from that guy for $2. It is missing the battery back, unfortunately, but I put new batteries in there. And as you can see, it works. 2 + 2 is 4. So this is an easy like $50 or so. Always look out for these. This is arguably, in my opinion, the best thing you could possibly sell on eBay because it's super easy to list, super easy to ship, and they always sell within 24 to 48 hours if priced correctly. It also depends on the time of year, like if it's close to school starting or something, but I don't know a single person who's ever tried to sell one of these and has not been successful. You guys check this out. Look at that bagel. About to dig into that bad boy. Thanks again to Whatnot for sponsoring today's video. Again, we greatly appreciate if you guys can come to our next show. You get a chance to get something for free. You can get a free $15 credit by using the link down below, and that will give us a little kickback as well. So if you want to support the channel, that is a great way to do so. Thank you guys again so much for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.